Hey everybody, it's Vance from fishingwithvance.com. I'm getting pretty pumped up because I'm going to be going fishing tomorrow with the guys from Fish West PA, and so I'm getting my gear ready for tonight. All the stuff that Randy from Fish West PA told me to bring up. So I'm going striper fishing in the morning. I'm pretty pumped up about it. Haven't caught striper in a long time, not since my days going out to Lake Arthur at night. So I got my 2 poles ready to go, rigged up, bag ready, hat, GoPro battery. So I'm meeting those guys early in the morning, and like I said, I'm pretty excited. Hopefully coming back with some striper on the line, and hope it works out. I'll let you know how it goes tomorrow with Randy from Fish West PA on fishingwithvance.com. Fish on. Feel like a good one?
It does. Well, maybe not. Not bad, but it's a start. 6-7 pounder. We'll take that starter off.
Good job, brother.
Yeah, that's probably 7 pounds.
That's about our average.
7.5, 8 pounds. Let me get real quick.
Sure.
That's about our average size.
There's our first fish of the day. That's how it's done, right, sir?
That is. Good start. You know, it's not one of the bigger ones in here, but it's probably the average. She really hit her hard and gave me a good fight, so she's going back right now.
Great job. Really cool.
And they have no problem taking off, and we don't really wear them out, you know, with the heavier line, and you know, we can get them in fairly quick, and I think that's important, to release them as quick as you can. Quick pitchers, nothing wrong with that. Just get them back.
Right. Great.
It was awesome.
Hey, good job.
That may not stay that way. They picked them, you know, started to top water again, but it just seems like they slowed down off it for sure.
Oh yeah.
I got one too. Double. I got a double.
I'm gonna have to be the net man here, I think.
Yes, we are.
Well, I guess we stay top water a little bit. Now she is. Oh my. Oh my.
Rando's come off. I'm gonna come over here.
That's it. That's enough of that. And you only get them by one hook. Oh, look at me. Oh, I come out. You okay, Brian?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Now, you don't want me to stab at it. Just kind of let him come to me, right?
That looks like a good fish, yeah.
Ain't a lot.
Got her.
Just laying right there.
Oh yeah.
We're marking 5 stripers underneath us right now. Great job. I got it.
Ace, good fish.
Nice, buddy.
Thank you. Picture? Here.
Hold her up. I'll pull it off the camera.
We get
There we go. Good fish, man.
Thank you.
nice job, buddy.
Fish on with Ace again.
Hey. How's he feel? Oh, you got a horse. Work him. Feel pretty good?
Yeah, me a bag, just a little one.
Nice.
Fish now.
Get this direction.
Not a bad fish, but they're just so heavy.
Ah,
That
good
fish
fish,
only be
Ace.
4 pounds, it's probably sick. Fish on a spinnerbait, guess what it is? A big hybrid. Gotta love it. That is so awesome.
Fish on. I think it's on.
It's on.
Awesome.
Fish on.
You gotta move around the boat.
You have to get up. Yeah, come on up.
Get out of the way.
Come on up.
Thank you. This is my first ever fish on a spinnerbait, and it's a hybrid.
Take your time with her. You definitely keep the pressure on. You're doing exactly right. Let her wear herself out, but definitely keep that pressure. How'd that feel? I've seen
Oh,
that
man.
run. I think that's a pretty good fish. You try to bring your rod tip up if you can. Keep the
I think I
pressure.
lost
Oh.
her. Yeah, that's okay, man. That was fun. I get the next one. Fish on for Ace.
It's a good one. Watch out. Here you go. Hook him out.
This is a ton maybe. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Beautiful fish there. Good one.
Beautiful fish.
There's a good one, Jai.
Good job.
Fish on. Big fish.
Fish on. Rando's down the corner. He's got a fish on. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay. I'm going to watch Randy.
Jeez.
You on the spook this time or spinnerbait?
Spinnerbait.
Spinnerbait
This one ain't
again?
coming off, guys.
Now see if we can double.
Oh my. Oh, did you see her go?
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. They rip drag like that close. They're good fish. Come on up and see us. Still an absolute monster, but good fish again.
Let me get from this angle. There we go. Good fish. Good
you
fish
go.
there. Nice.
Thank you.
Danny floor. Fish on.
No. I'm good.
Oh no. Angle and had the blade spin.
He's not
Another one
monstrous,
come up
but
and whack
it's
it.
a fish. I thought.
Holy shit.
He's probably took- now he wants to fight.
That's a beast.
Oh, nice, Brian. Good job. Well, you about fell out of the boat getting him. Great job.
We don't want to miss that hog. Whew.
That's a
Woohoo.
smoker there. That might go 10 or 11.
Boy, that lure just fell out too.
It did. You were awesome. You were awesome. I don't think he was going to stay on much longer. You did awesome.
Jesus, they're heavy.
Oh, even, you know, for not a huge fish, so powerful.
Oh man, look at the size of the girth on that thing. That is
When
awesome.
you come in like that, you really get to see that girth. It's amazing. I'm going to get her back.
That is great.
Oh.
He's on fire.
Wow. Look at that head shake. Oh, he's going, he's going. Ace got one. We got a double
We got
going.
a double going on. Ace got one back here. Randy's got one on this side. He's got a really big fish on.
Got a walleye.
Ace got a big
Ace has a walleye on.
Go ahead and net his first, maybe, Brian.
Net him first?
Go ahead, I got this. I can get it.
You sure?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Back here. Oh, right side, Randy?
Yeah.
This one's gonna be big.
He just tried to break me with that move they do.
Yeah.
See how they turn, they go the other way? He's trying to get me on his fin on the top and break my line. They're tricky little things. Beautiful, Mitchell.
Huh. The red light on my camera?
Yep, it is now.
This is what it's all about, guys.
It really is. It is so much fun.
Oh, man.
And there's dinner.
There's
How can
dinner.
you go wrong?
This is a nice bass.
Is there a smallmouth?
No,
It's a largemouth. We netting this guy or no?
maybe we better. Just because my wrist.
Yeah, he got a mouth on him.
Oh, that's good.
Huge. Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
I love it to death.
Oh,
Oh, that's a beauty.
oh my gosh,
I
that's
will
a
take those all
horse.
day long. He might be 4 pounds. Boy, come up and nail it. Yeah, I got a good picture. That's a beauty.
Here, look here, Ryan.
Right? Oh, you already on? Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm on.
How about it, guys?
Oh, how
We
about
don't
it?
just catch stripers and walleye.
Oh man, nice
That's
bass.
fun. What a beaut. Get her
Beautiful.
back. She probably won't. No, she hasn't licked yet. She probably wants to get rid of them pretty soon.
Good fish, man.
This boat. I don't know what it is. I haven't seen it.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's a pike. It's a
it is.
pike.
It is a pike. Get him in. Ace, what? That's your first one.
First ever pike.
I'll be damned.
How about like that?
Perfect. Did you miss something, Ace?
Yeah. He whacked the hell out of it.
Awesome. Congratulations,
Yeah,
man.
thanks.
How
First
cool is
ever
that?
pike.
First ever pike. I'll be darned.
All right, guys. This is we're gonna wrap up.
Yeah.
This was a heck of a day today.
A lot of
As you'll see on the video, this Randy and Ace, they put on a show for me today. Caught, I don't know, double-digit striper, a walleye, a pike, big 3-pound bass. I mean, we were like multi-speciing it out there
It was a
today.
lot of fun.
Yeah,
You know, when you get that opportunity to have that so close and be able to get out there and do that, there's just nothing better. So much fun.
yeah.
Good
Oh,
people.
Yeah, I want to
You
thank
can't
you
beat
for
it.
inviting me up and letting me come on the
Thank
boat.
you for coming. You
Oh,
know,
I had a great
we
time.
appreciate it. We don't get this opportunity very often.
Yeah. Ace, great to fish with you again.
We will do this again, I'll guarantee it.
I hope
We're
so.
going to get you up here over camping weekend. We're going to get some on that too. So stay tuned. We got a lot of fun coming this summer.
That's right. A lot of fun coming.
Okay, Brian, be
Thank you,
safe.
guys.